Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm showing you guys how to get your microwave looking brand new again with no scrubbing required. So let's go ahead and hop in. So I'm going to fill my bowl here with water. It doesn't matter warm or cold. I'm going to pour in just a couple tablespoons of lemon juice into the water as well and throw that in the microwave for 2 minutes. This is what the inside of my microwave is looking like. So we've got splatter on the door all up in here, up on top of the microwave. I'm pretty sure this is all oatmeal, maybe some spaghetti sauce, but splatter on the sides here, and then down here on the actual plate, this is crusty old oatmeal. And we've got some ramen noodles stuck to the back here. So definitely pretty dirty. So I'm gonna grab my water now. So this is our water and lemon juice mixture. I'm gonna put that right there. We're gonna close this and go ahead and set our microwave for 2 minutes and let this run. So I'm just gonna kind of test. This still feels really stuck on here. So I'm going to go ahead and let this go for another 3 minutes. And hopefully that'll be enough to kind of get the vapor and the steam going to kind of loosen up these really hard stuck on places here. So I'm going to give it another 3 minutes. So I've got just a regular old dish sponge here, and I'm going to just kind of start So I definitely think this loosened things up pretty well, at least some of these lesser marks it seemed to do okay on, but we'll see what happens as we get to some of these more tough spots. Seems to be doing okay in some of these areas. They're coming off pretty easy. I'm kind of just wiping in most areas. I don't even really seem to have to scrub. See, some of these spots you have to give a little bit more elbow grease, but so far I'm pretty happy. So let's see how it did here. So it didn't really do anything for this plate, so I think I'm going to take this and throw it in my sink here. Might just have to do this the old-fashioned way, just pour some Dawn dish soap on it and let it sit while I finish scrubbing out the microwave, and hopefully these will kind of break apart. So now I'm taking just a regular old dry cleaning towel, just like a washcloth, and I'm going to just wipe everything down. So I do have a whole playlist on how to clean appliances, everything from ovens to dishwashers to the filters in your dishwasher, oven racks. All of those methods are pretty much no scrub, easy cleaning. I will link that whole playlist down below if you want to check that out. I'll give you guys a quick look at the microwave now. So it got everything off the top very well and off the side. This method worked really well for everything except those harder spots that were on the plate here. However, it came off super easily. I think it loosened it just enough when I threw it in the sink with just some soap and hot water. While I scrubbed out the rest of the microwave, it popped right off just like that. So this whole process took me probably 5 minutes. Well, this whole process probably took me about 8 minutes start to finish, and that's because 5 minutes of it was me sitting on the couch watching Netflix with one of my kids while this hot water did all the work. Like you can see there's some particles and stuff floating around in here, sunk into the bottom. So this did really well. I'm very happy with how this worked, and I'll definitely be using this method again. I have seen online where you can do water and vinegar instead. However, I also read that that can smell pretty bad. So a lot of people were saying to either drop in some essential oils or just some straight lemon juice, which I happen to always keep on hand. So I did that, and it smells really good. It made it smell very fresh, obviously, but it worked really well. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos. I post videos a couple weeks here on this channel, all relating to testing cleaning hacks and showing you guys how to clean different areas in your home. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!